Let's try solving the Sudoku using the above three techniques which I said in the previous videos. Let me try solving the Sudoku using those three techniques. So let me start with the block which already has maximum number of numbers. Let me start with the center block. So we have to fill 3, 4 and 5. Okay, we can't fill 5 in this complete row, so we'll have only one place for 5, that is here. Then we'll have 3 and 4. We'll come back to that number again. We'll try filling this particular column, the center column. So we already have certain numbers. We have to fill 7 and 9. 7 can't be filled here, so obviously 9 will be filled, and then of course 7 will be filled here. This column is done. Then we'll go with this row. We'll have to fill 3 and 6 and 8. Okay, sorry, 3, 6 and 9. We can't fill 3 and 6 here. That means we'll have to fill 9 here, then 3 and 6. We can fill in these two places, so that's done. So let's go with this block or this block. We'll go for the second block now. We'll try solving the numbers. We'll try keeping the numbers 1, 4, 6 and 8 to be filled here. We can't keep 4 in this complete row, and we can't choose the number 4 now. As of now, we'll go with 6. 6 also can't be chosen, so 1 also can't. Yeah, 1 can be chosen. 1 can't be filled in this complete row, can't be filled in this cell, so only place for 1 is here. Now let's go for the other block or the row or column. So we'll go with this row, the center row. We have 1, 2, 3, so we'll have to fill 4, 5 and 9. 4, 5 and 9. 4, 5 and 8. Okay, we can't fill 5 and 8 here in this cell, so obviously 4 will be filled. 5 and 8. 5 can't be filled here, that means 8 will be filled, and then of course 5 will be filled here. This row is also done. We'll go with this block. We'll have to fill 3, 5 and 2. Okay, in this place we can't fill 2 and 5, then of course 3 will be filled. Then we'll have to fill 2 and 5. We can't fill 2 in this cell, so of course 5, then of course 2 here. Now this block is done. Let's go for the sixth block. Let's fill this. We have to fill 1, 4 and 6. Okay, we can't fill 6 here, but we again have two places. 4 also can't be chosen, 1 also can't be chosen, so we'll come back to this block later on. We'll try filling another block or another column or row. We'll try filling this column. Okay, this column. So 1, 2, we have 3, 4, 3, 4, 6 and 8. 3, 4, 6 and 8. So we can't fill 4 here, but we have two places for 4. We can't fill 6 here, but we have 3 places for 6, and 8 here in this place, but we have 2 places for 8. So we'll go with this column later on. We'll try filling this block. Maybe we'll try getting it. We have to fill number 9. 9 can't be filled here in this column as well as in this cell, so obviously place for 9 is here. Then we'll have 3, 3, 3, 3. We can't fill 3 properly now. We'll try filling number 8. Yeah, 8 can't be filled here as well as here, so obviously 8 can be filled here in this place. Now let's try filling a particular number digit in all the blocks. Let's try that technique. So we'll go with this. We'll go with 8 only first. Maybe if not 8, let's go with 8 only. We can't fill 8 here, but yeah, again we have two places for 8. We'll see with this block. We can't fill 8 in these two columns. Again we have two places here, also two places for 8. So let's go with other number. We'll try filling 7 in this block. 7 is already there in this row as well as this row, so we'll have to place only 7 here. Now once 7 is done, we'll try filling this block with 7. 7 as only this place possible because there are sevens in rows and columns of other rows and columns in that block. So 7 is done, I think. Yeah, here 7 is left out. We can't fill 7 here as well as here, so only place for 7 is here. Now 7 is done. Then let's go with other number. Let's go with maybe 5. We'll try filling 5. We can't fill 5 here in this row as well as here and also in this column, so place for 5. Then we'll go with other blocks. Okay, 5 is present in maximum number of blocks. Okay, it can't be filled in these two columns, so only place for 5 is here. Now 5 is also done. Let's try filling this column. Only place, that is 6, I guess. 6, yes, yeah, 6 is done. Now let's go with other digit. Let's go with number maybe 9. Maybe 9 for this block. Okay, we already have 9 here in this column, so we can't fill 9 here. We can't fill in this cell also because there's already 9 in this row, so 9 to be filled here. Now let's try filling 9 in other blocks. Okay, 9 can't be filled in this row as well as this row and in this cell too because we have 9 in the column, so we'll have to fill 9 here. Now 9 is done. We'll have to fill this cell based on the column technique. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9, so we'll have to fill 8 here. Now once 8 is done, let's try filling this cell based on the row technique. We have 3 4 5, so we'll have to fill 6 here. This is also done, so let's go with the number 8 in this particular block. We can't go right here because there's already 8 present in the column, so we'll have to fill 8 there in this block. So let's go with this particular block. We can't fill 8 here as well as here, so only place for 8 is here. Now 8 is done in all the blocks. Let's go with other number. Let's go with number maybe 6. Maybe 6 is not done in all the blocks, so let's try filling 6. Okay, before that we'll try filling this particular block. We already have all the numbers, only 4 is left out, so we'll fill 4. This block is done. We'll go with number 6 now. 6 can't be filled in this particular cell, so we'll have to fix 6 here. Now 6 is done. We'll try filling this column, sorry, this row. We have already set of numbers. We have only 4 left out. Then we have 3 to be filled in this block. Now we'll have to fill 2 here. The block is done. Wow, it's easy now. Let's try filling 6 in other blocks too. So once 6 is done here, okay, we can't choose 6 here in this particular row, so we'll have to fix 6 here. So once 6 is done, we'll try filling 6 here in this place. Then we'll have 3 to be filled here in this place. The row is done and the block is done too. So let's try filling these two cells based on the column technique. We already have to fill 3 and 4. 3 has to be filled here and 4 has to be filled here. Done. This block is done and the row is and the column is also done. So let's try filling this. This is 1 has to be filled here, and then here we have to fill 9 is done. So we'll try filling this particular block. We'll have to fill 1 4 and we can't fill 4 in this complete column, so we'll have to fill 4 here first. Then we'll have 1 and 1 has to be filled here. Then 6 has to be filled here. It's done. And again 1 has to be filled here. Before I fill the third place here, you can check with all the rows and columns, and also with each blocks there are unique digits of 1 to 9 and there's no repetition. So once it's done, 3 completed.